Okay guys, if you have not seen yet, this is outside my home in the beautiful city of Dalat, Vietnam. This is my place right here. Just love this mural. I fell in love with the place. I mean, it's nice inside for sure too. I like it a lot. You wouldn't believe what I pay for the place. You'll get that in a different video. But beautiful, beautiful morning in the city of Dalat. And speaking of beautiful, I have got a treat for you guys today. Today, we're gonna walk to Fami Cafe. Hey, buddy. Right now I'm walking to put my trash away here. But this place, yeah, I'm just gonna let it do all the talking for me. So whenever I get there, I'm gonna shut up. Yay! And you guys are just gonna get the amazing Le Fami Cafe. So I'm gonna walk there just to show you kind of how close it is. But I'll probably speed up this walk, so because you've seen it before. I just want to show you that it's not very far from where I live. Nothing in this city is very far from where I live, especially when you're walking in weather like this. Great day to be alive. I do have a lovely neighborhood street. I enjoyed and missed my other street that I was just on, which is basically right through here, but you can't get through there. But it's that street was much busier. It's just different, much busier. There's a lot more to do, and a lot more places to eat and drink coffee and all that. So it had that going for it. But it is nice to live on a quieter street. That street can definitely be kind of crazy, especially in the mornings, which that's what it is right now. It's around 9 o'clock in the morning. So I'm getting a little bit of a later start this morning. But I've been putting in 12-hour days. Yesterday was about 13 and a half hours as I'm trying to crank out this content for you guys to start up this page. I've got walk and talks. I've got walk-a-minutes, which are a lot of times just condensed Reader's Digest versions of the walk and talks that obviously don't give as much detail. Sometimes I'll throw those in a much more rapid pace. They're just made for short, so they're always going to be a minute or less. Had some, check out my couple on Vietnam and Coffee, where I take you into a neighborhood nearby and you get to see all the coffee shops just on one street. That one I had to break up into 2 walk-a-minutes, but they are also part of Walk and Talk, called Let's Talk About Vietnam and Coffee. And so I've got the walk and talks, I've got the walk-a-minutes, and I've got the Cozy Cafe Quest, which I've uploaded 2 of those in the last 2 days. One is for Goat Coffee, great place, and one is for MP Audiophile Cafe. Oh, it's amazing. I would have already been there if I was walking from my house. It's very close. But both of those couldn't be further from each other. Both amazing in their own right. Both are places that I've gone to multiple times. Got got some work going on here, so it might be a little loud for a second. But one of the great things I like about Vietnam, and I noticed it more, at least here in Dalat, even than I did in Chiang Mai in Thailand, is that with coffee shops, cafes, you really can pick your poison as far as mood. There might be 500 coffee shops here in this city of 500,000 people. And some of them are very similar, right? But man, they've just got a lot of variety, from the type of music to some of them have little animals there, so I call it almost like a pet cafe. And then some of them just have amazing beauty. So it's just, you can really pick your poison here in Vietnam when it comes to coffee shops and cafes. Coming up on the main street here, which is where we will be for the remainder of our journey to Fami Cafe. Just to give you an idea, there are some beautiful, beautiful places here on this street. Big places too. Let's see. And I got to tell you, there's no entry point for being able to make a good cup of coffee when it comes to your storefront. Some of these little places, little tiny places that are almost like little one-room, almost garages, they can put together a cup of coffee and some music and a nice little seating area that can just have you everything you need for whatever you're doing. Most of the time when I go, I'm working. And this is where it gets sometimes a little dicey, but you just kind of start going across the street. And not far now. When you're crossing streets in Vietnam, you want to yield to the cars and kind of weave in between the motorbikes. You don't wait for a full opening. You may never get there. All right. And it's pretty easy to do because there's a lot more motorbikes than cars. I'd say 80% of the vehicles are motorbikes. And here you see you got motorbikes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the States. That would be, a place that sells them. Here it's a little coffee shop. All right, this is it. Fami Cafe. And I'm just going to be quiet now and take you in here, okay?